And it's so annoying. Actually, I bump into things.
Burgundy looks amazing on
it. And then I apologize to the wall.
I
don't apologize. I do say that though. The wall baby, yes. But I will swear at the wall.
I swear to inanimate objects all the time. Especially when building IKEA furniture.
Ooh. I might be onto something. Alright.
Makayla said, look at my clavicle.
Because most of us know what that is.
I do.
Well, you can see it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Holy crap.
I haven't shot a dress in so long, so it feels weird.
Yeah, the hair really looks good with the dress. Nice match.
We did?
Don't cut the hair, whatever you do. How do you get maybe I like that pose, but just this way a little bit, right about there. I just want you centered to the background and you're on the wall. And the hammies look fine.
As they should.
They're really good hammies. So speaking of hammies, if I could get you to face that corner again.
There they are.
Yeah, move your, like that. Now we can see the hammies and the tattoo.
And the glutes.
And the glutes.
Glutes!
Calves.
Oh yeah, I wasn't even looking at glutes. Did you see the halo up here? Covered by the bald spot.
One's broken.
Sir, you know. Never had a halo. It was always done.
Rubber never had a halo.
No.
It's just a
At
hat.
one point.
Oh, you mean before you took up photography?
Yes.
Oh, that's a good one right there.
Before I took up photography, I wasn't born again Christian.
Can you move your right hand back to your...
I was a crazy person.
Right, no, up. Yeah, right there.
I'm better
That's a
now,
good
though.
shot. Love that.
Are you good?
Yes.
I would say I am.
Okay, that's good.
Nice. That was after surgery. Cool. Okay, again, but sitting up, like that, with your hands in the front of your lap again. That's good, yeah, like that. Oh, this stupid thing. I'm gonna get one of these things with wheels on it. There. Wow, I got my workout for the day here. Yeah, okay. A bit closer. That's better.
I'm wondering if you switch legs.
Yeah, if you put both your feet down,
Or not.
with your knees facing more towards the background, and then your hair in front of you, like that, and then kind of arching your back so you're...
It's a butt shot.